This one clear is just $6.
Wow. And how many D batteries? 4. 4 D batteries.
No, that's 4 little double A's.
Oh, a little trouble. Oh.
Yeah.
I've got to get one of those for the kids.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
They're underwater. Oh, they look like they're coming out of your mouth.
Yeah, I'm peeing bubbles, you know.
You could have them coming out of your hand, put the thing behind your hand and shoot them out. But they're showing up really great against those trees in the mountains.
Every once in a while there is a little spray of, and it's just a regular bubble. Yeah. Sometimes I even add more soap just to make it more.
It's got a vibrato.
How long does that have to go? How long has it been?
In 5 minutes.